All right, let's dive into something that honestly sounds like modern-day magic, but is very, very quickly becoming a reality. We're talking about the alchemy of passive AI prompt wealth.
So, let me ask you a question, and it's a bit of a wild one. Could your words, the ones you type every day, actually become digital gold? It sounds crazy, but it's the exact question at the heart of this brand new digital economy that's popping up.
So, what are we really getting at here? Well, a really fascinating and, believe it or not, accessible new path to passive income is being carved out right now, all thanks to how fast artificial intelligence is evolving. And this isn't some far-off theory. It's a real opportunity that's built on creativity and language.
And that brings us to our first section, the new digital gold. We're using this gold rush metaphor for a reason, because for the people jumping in early, that's exactly what this feels like. A whole new frontier of opportunity just waiting to be claimed.
Now, before we get any deeper, let's just get on the same page about what passive income even means. It's basically money you earn from an asset you've already created, which then keeps generating revenue with very little or even no ongoing work. Think about royalties from a book or rent from a property you own. You do the work up front, and it pays off over time.
So, in this brand new landscape, what is the asset? Well, it's not something you can hold in your hand. The asset is a carefully crafted, expertly curated collection of text, what we're calling an AI prompt bundle. This is the digital gold we're talking about.
Okay, so if the main asset is a bundle of prompts, we have to understand the fundamental building block, right? That takes us straight into section 2, deconstructing the prompt.
At its heart, the idea is super simple. An AI prompt is just the command you give to an AI. You're telling it what to do. Whether you're asking for an image, a blog post, or a chunk of code, the prompt is your starting instruction.
But, and this is absolutely crucial to understand, not all prompts are created equal. Not even close. I mean, look at this. On the left, you've got a basic prompt, a photo of a futuristic city. You'll get something, sure, but it'll be generic. Now look at the expert prompt on the right. It's descriptive, it's specific, it sets a whole mood and tone. The quality of the final image isn't just a little better, it's exponentially better.
And that right there, that's the secret sauce. Quality and specificity are where the value is created. Literally anyone can type a basic prompt. The real skill, the thing that people will actually pay good money for, is the ability to craft prompts that produce professional, predictable, and frankly spectacular results every single time.
Okay, so if one of these expert prompts is like a little nugget of gold, how do you turn that into a solid gold bar that you can actually sell? Well, that brings us to section 3, the art of the bundle.
This is the playbook. This is how it's actually done. First, you start by picking a specific niche. Don't try to boil the ocean. Maybe it's prompts for creating children's book illustrations or for writing killer marketing copy. Then you get to work. You craft dozens of these expert-level prompts just for that niche. After that, you organize them, group them logically into themes, and finally, you package the whole thing up as a valuable, ready-to-use toolkit that someone can buy.
I absolutely love this analogy because it's just perfect. Think of it like a recipe book for creativity. Everyone has access to the AI. That's like the kitchen and all the ingredients. What you're selling is the perfected, chef-tested recipe book that guarantees a fantastic result without all the frustrating trial and error.
All right, so we've done the work, we've crafted our valuable asset. Now for the million-dollar question. How does this actually become that passive income engine we were talking about? Let's get into it in section 4.
And this is where it gets really compelling. We're not talking about pocket change. We are talking about the potential for thousands of dollars a month. For creators who find the right niche and really put in the effort to produce these high-quality bundles, this is becoming a very real, very significant source of income. So, what makes it passive? This is the most beautiful part of the whole model. You do the creative work once. You craft it, you package your bundle, you list it for sale on a digital marketplace, and that one single digital file can then be sold over and over and over again, hundreds, maybe thousands of times. It makes money for you even while you sleep. And you're not just shouting into the void here. A whole ecosystem is popping up to support this. You've got these creator marketplaces, these digital goods stores. You have niche communities like online forums where artists or architects hang out. You can even sell them directly from your own personal e-commerce shop. The key is just to figure out where your target audience is already spending their time.
So, all of this brings us to our final section. And it's less of a statement and, well, more of a question for you. Is it your turn to be the alchemist?
And honestly, this is the most important takeaway from all of this. The real magic, the true alchemy, it isn't hidden inside the AI's complex code. It's in the human creativity that guides it. It's your unique vision, your expertise, your creative spark that transforms a simple instruction into a truly valuable digital asset.
So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to just chew on for a bit. In a world where AI is getting better and better at creating things, is it possible that the single most valuable human skill is no longer the ability to make things, but the wisdom, the creativity, and the insight to know what to ask for in the first place? Definitely something to think about. Thanks for joining me.